everybody, I'm back. I got my new house. It's taken me a while, but I'm finally here. I was gonna wait to get my new countertops, but I decided I really wanted to share this recipe with you. So here we go. Okay, back that up a little bit. I'm gonna take probably a teaspoon of butter, and I've got this yellow squash, and I'm gonna cut that into 4, and I'm gonna take the seeds out. All you do is just de-seed it like that. You can see me just taking the seeds out. I've got to get used to this kitchen to do videos, and I will. Believe me, I will. So anyway, I'm going to take these and cut them up into just little chunks. I've got my butter warming up in the pan. This is just a small yellow squash. And you are not going to believe, if you do this recipe, how absolutely delicious this is. Okay. So I got my butter heated up here. Like I said, just about a teaspoon of butter. And put in my yellow squash. Believe it or not, I made this for breakfast. So good. And I've just got a small onion here. I'm going to turn that down to probably 6. What I'm going to do is I'm not going to touch this. I'm going to let this brown just a little bit until I stir it. And I just have, like I said, a small onion here. Okay. Sprinkle that on top. Get rid of that. And I'm just going to let this go until probably like maybe 5 minutes, and I'll be back. I am going to add some salt and pepper. I forgot that part. I'll get organized yet, you guys. I don't have my pretty salt and pepper, so I had to go buy these. I don't have all my stuff in here yet, but I'm getting there. Okay, 5 more minutes. I'll be back. Okay, it's starting to brown a little bit, and that's what you want, because the browning gives it more flavor. I know I've told you guys that a lot of times. I'm so excited to be in my new house, you guys. I can't even tell you. It was a long time coming. But I'm going to be back to doing my videos again for you guys. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle my grits on top. Just maybe, I don't know, a 1/4 cup, something like that. Just a little bit. And then I'm going to cover it with water. Probably, I don't know, a 1/2 inch of water. And I am going to let that cook down. Maybe add a little bit more salt. I'm going to let this cook down for, probably 5 to 10 minutes. And I'll show you what we got. Okay, I've got these just about where I want them. It's been cooking for just a little over 8 minutes. You want to get them good and thick. And I didn't give you proportions because this is just according to how much you're going to make, And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, I've got this pepper jack from Aldi's. And I'm just going to put 2 slices. I know I should only put 1, but I'm going to put 2 slices on it. Let that set for just a minute. Just until it melts. I'm going to turn this off. I made these yesterday and I had to have them again. And I thought, darn it, why didn't I put it on my channel? But I've been nervous about starting my channel in my new house. So anyway, and then take a bowl and put them in your bowl. Oh, sorry. And look at that. These are so delicious. I can't, you won't even believe how delicious they are. And like I said, I'm getting used to my new kitchen. But if you're new here with me, I lived in Florida. I've done over 200 videos of old-fashioned kind of 1950s cooking. Nothing fancy. You don't need leeks and broth and all this stuff. It's just old-fashioned cooking. So anyway, hope you enjoyed my little grit recipe. And remember, there's nothing you can't do if you put your mind to it. And love the Lord with all your heart. Till we meet again.